This is the RealWear Navigator 520, the next generation assisted reality solution for the modern frontline worker. Built for tough environments, the RealWear Navigator 520 is designed to help you work safer, smarter, faster, and do it all completely hands-free. This standalone device works just like an Android tablet, but you speak your selection rather than using your hands to control the applications. The display can be positioned on your right or left eye, and the display pod situates just below your line of sight. When positioned properly, the display pod looks like a tablet held at arm's length. The Navigator 520 comes with a high-quality 48 megapixel camera, and the camera is also modular, so you can switch it out to one of our other camera accessories. With several different mounting options, the RealWear device works seamlessly with your personal protective equipment. Today, I'm wearing my device on the RealWear workband that comes with the RealWear device out of box. The Navigator 520 is controlled using Say What You See speech commands. Everything in all capital letters is a voice command. To see all my global commands, like how to get back to the home screen or quickly change between applications, you can say, Show Help, and there I can see all my global commands. Hide Help. If I want to do something like open the camera, I'm going to read the prompt on the screen. My camera. The RealWear camera is very robust and packed with functionality including image stabilization, exposure controls, and telephoto mode. The camera includes contextual commands that appear on the screen. Just say what you see to operate the zoom and take pictures. Zoom level 3. Take photo. You can store all your photos, training videos, and PDF documents locally on your device. My Files. As you can see, I'm slightly moving my head left to right. This is how you scroll on the screen. We have numbered shortcuts that are used throughout the device to make it easier to select items. For example, I can say My Documents, or I could say Select Item 2. Select Item 2. Let's select a document. Regulator. Now from here I have the same zoom functionality that we saw on the camera. So if I want to focus in on a section of this document, I can simply just say Zoom level 3. And then I can move my head around and find that location I want to focus in on. When I do, I simply just read the bottom left corner of my screen, freeze window, and now the document is locked into place. Navigate home. That is a basic demo of the RealWear Navigator 520. Out of box, you can take photos and videos, review documents, and use the utility applications included on the device. With further device setup and wireless connection, the RealWear Navigator 520 provides frontline workers with a collaborative tool they need for every job.